Tlbs Corporation offers cleaning and maintenance services for all areas of hotels. Thebest? We supply cleaning and housekeeping personnel. With our services, you can eliminate agents that can cause allergies, infections, and airborne in direct contact with infected surfaces. We use bioluminescence A.T.P, A.D.P, A.M.P for sanitization. We apply the UVC tech for sterilization method. We offer bed bugs extermination service, care and maintenance of carpets and furniture with washing and hot water dry cleaning and steam. How do we do it? With the highest standard of biosecurity, applying our 4 levels of soft services: conventional cleaning, sanitizing, disinfection, and sterilization. We offer comprehensive engineering solutions for general asset services in residential, commercial, and industrial facilities. Tlbs, we are your company.